Hey guys, welcome back to Stitch Sundays. I'm excited to be here. I'm so excited you guys are here. And okay, first of all, I do want to apologize. Like, I haven't changed, this isn't a backdrop. This is the curtains in my room, and I just haven't been in the mood to really like set up the whole scene. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling with me in my room for now. So for my last videos that I posted about a few weeks ago, I actually straightened my hair. So you're probably wondering, like, where's the puff? We're gonna see if it's gonna come back. So being that I straightened my hair, I did give it about 3 weeks to really just do its thing, chill, because I never ever like really straightened my hair. So this is about 3 weeks of my straightened hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cleansing shampoo, because even though my hair is straight, I did put, I would say, a lot of product in it, just because I wanted like the slickest of the slickest ponytails. So I was putting gel, edge control, like the whole nine. So I mean, it doesn't feel stiff, but it does feel a bit sticky in the front. So I definitely want to do a clarifying shampoo, and my choice for that is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. Next, for conditioning, so this Aussie product right here, which is a 3-minute Miracle Moist. This works amazing for my hair. I just personally love it. So it doesn't matter what shampoo I'm using, like that's my go-to for the most part. So I'm gonna lose my protein virginity like online with you guys. Okay, all right. So pretty much this is what it looks like. My sister talked me into buying the smaller bottle. She said for me to try it out at first, and if I like it, then go ahead and size up. So this is 2-step protein treatment. So after you wash and cleanse your hair like normal, you're actually gonna apply the white bottle onto your hair. So from the reviews I've seen, it's pretty runny. So some people use spray bottle methods. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but you want to put this on clean hair, and then you'll apply heat, not like blow drying like on the scalp with the brush or anything, but just very lightly. So I'll have the prices for everything in my description box. The small bottle here, I purchased it at my local beauty supply store. It was $8.99. And then this bottle here, which is the Balancing Moisturizer, which you use after the protein treatment, this was only $5.49. So once again, I bought the smaller bottles just to see if I really liked it. Now, as far as the instructions, let's see. It says, first they tell you to use a shampoo. I'm going to stick to my shampoo. Rinse through thoroughly. Now you apply this with a wide tooth comb. Leave your hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic wrap. So it did say that, and it put it in caps, so don't put a plastic wrap. Let's see. You can use a hand dryer or sit under an actual dryer with medium heat. Let's see. It says hair should not be agitated while there's heat on it. So that means no combing, teasing, none of that. Let's see. So honestly, this doesn't give me a time frame as far as how long you're supposed to leave it on there. So I guess you want to do this until it gets hard on your hair when it's fully dried. And then you're going to rinse it out thoroughly. And by thoroughly means get everything out of your hair. And then you're going to go ahead and use the Balancing Moisturizer. So I'm really excited about this. As far as this, it does say to leave it on your hair for about 2 minutes or so. And then you'll rinse that out and then style it as normal. So I'm just really excited to see my curls come back, because if it didn't, I'm gonna be real tight. But like I said, I've been doing pretty good with my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. So like I said, I used my Jamaican Castor Oil shampoo from Shea Moisture to do a cleansing, clarifying shampoo in my hair. And then for moisture, I did condition with my Aussie Moist. I love that thing. So before we apply the treatment itself, it says that clearly your hair has to be damp, but it doesn't want it to be drenched. So this is what my hair looks like. So I am excited to see that my hair shrunk after having it straightened, which means that I didn't do much damage to it. But if there was any damage, we're gonna try to repair that right now. So I'm gonna use my hands for everything I'm about to do. I am gonna use these clamps here to separate my hair. Now for the separation, I'm just gonna do 4 parts using my fingers. It says that they don't want you to do too much manipulation to the hair after you put the treatment in. So what I'm gonna do is lightly detangle my hair so that I can get through every strand, hopefully, because like I said, you can't detangle or anything when you have this treatment in because your hair will break. I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb and pretty much detangle starting from the ends, working my way up. Now going into the treatment itself, let's see. So it says it rebuilds the hair structure for 6 weeks, so I'm assuming they expect you to use this every 6 weeks. One thing I must stress, I personally, like I said, this is my first time I'm doing a protein treatment, but from girls that I've seen that have used this before, do your research as well. Do not over protein your hair because it'll damage your hair. Like some girls had to do actual big chops on their long, beautiful, natural hair just because they put too much protein and their hair was just like super hard. So as far as consistency, it's very watery. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm pouring it so that I do feel it on my scalp. And I'm pretty much just gonna work it through. Feel my hair already starting to get hard. So I get this working. Yeah, the back is shrunken a lot and it's really hard. That's that. So next I'm just gonna sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes or so, just until the hair is completely hard, and then I'll rinse it out. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes, and I have to go to 30 minutes because my hair is dry. As far as the texture right now, it feels like really hard, very disgusting, honestly. Like it feels clamped together. After I wash it out, I'm going to put in the balancing moisturizer, which better hydrate because the way my hair feels right now is sticky, it's disgusting. This better work. Okay, so I'm back. I finished rinsing out the treatment itself. So let's see. My hair feels really soft, I can say that. So now we're just gonna do the last step, which is the balancing moisturizer. I'm gonna use a very generous amount because my hair is very thick and coarse. And it says to pretty much leave this in your hair for 2 minutes. I might leave it in for more because I have to go talk on the phone. Shower cap and let my hair absorb this, and then we're gonna rinse it out, and then I'll give you guys my final review as far as like how does my hair feel compared to before applying this mixture and after. Okay guys, so I washed out the moisturizing part of the treatment, and I must say my hair does feel really hydrated. I mean, of course it's wet, but it feels like extremely soft, and my curls are really defined. I love it. I'm just really excited that my hair is not damaged per se after doing that flat iron. I might do it just twice a year, if even that, because y'all know I'm a wig kind of a girl. But so like I said, if you have damaged hair or you're in need of a treatment, so far I really like the way that my hair feels. So I'm just gonna twist my hair up and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon.